Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oats cookies in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine the butter, brown sugar, milk, vanilla extract, and that pinch of salt. Pop it into the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds, just until the butter is nicely melted. Give it a good stir, then add your rolled oats. Mix thoroughly until you have a thick, consistent dough. Finally, shape your dough into 2 or 3 small, flat cookies. It's time to bake. Carefully place your shaped cookies onto a microwave-safe plate. Now, microwave them on high for approximately 45 to 60 seconds. Cooking times can vary slightly, so keep an eye on them. You want them to be firm to the touch but still a little soft in the center. Once done, let them cool on the plate for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it. Your warm, delicious microwave oat cookies are now ready to be enjoyed. They're perfect for a quick snack or a sweet treat whenever a craving hits. For an even better experience, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Any leftover cookies can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days. We hope you love this super easy recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.